Okay, today we're going to learn how to put our papers into the MLA format. First thing we're going to do once we have our document open is go over here and choose the Times New Roman font and pull that up to size 12. Next, we want this double spaced, so over in paragraph, and then hit this tiny little button in the corner and click Don't Add Space Between Paragraphs, and then click OK. Next thing we're going to want to do is come over here to Insert. And we want a page number, so click on page number. We want it on the top of the page, just hover over that. And then come down to clean number 3, click on that. Next thing you're going to do is type your last name. I'm Jessica Jensen, so we'll type Jensen, then a space. And if you notice, this isn't Times New Roman, so we're going to go back to home and fix that up really quick. And put that back up to 12, and we have our header. We'll pause there.